Well, let's take a look at our bathtub here. See those lines there? It's been getting really bad lately after a bath. Water doesn't look clear. Looks a little dirty. We're wondering why this has been going on. What we're going to do is drain the hot water tank. And over the years, the hot water tank builds up crap, sediment in the bottom of the hot water tank. And over the years, when you run your hot water, it looks like the water is dirty and you get that buildup of crud in your hot water. And your bathtub will look like this. So let's get at her. Let's drain our hot water tank and see what comes out the bottom of the hot water tank. Well, this is our hot water tank. We're going to turn the hot water tank off. Turn the water off going in. So no water going in. This is an electric hot water tank. So we'll turn the breaker off so the elements don't burn out when we empty the water. Well, we take a look in the panel. Looking for hot water tank. Hot water tank. We'll turn it off and we should be good to go. And we will check it with a meter, a tester, to make sure we have no power at the hot water tank before we do anything. Then we'll go upstairs and turn the hot water tap on so that it will allow the hot water to drain out of the tank. Turn hot water on. I'll leave that on while it drains. Now we hook garden hose up to the drain and let's see what comes out. See how dirty it is. Look at all this crud coming out of your hot water tank. This is what you're taking a bath in. That's crazy. Now that we've drained all the water, disconnected our hose at the bottom, we'll turn our water back on, close our tap upstairs, and turn the breaker back on. There's our breaker. There we go. Hot water tank is filling up. Let's check out see how clean our water is in our tub. Well, now that we've drained all the gunk out of the hot water tank, cleaned it all out, filled up the hot water into the tub, look at that, the water's almost blue. No scum around the edges. Works amazing. Hope that helps out you guys, keeping your hot water clean and don't have to clean your tub so often. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.